Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Prince Automation Destination. So in this series, we are going to discuss about design patterns from the test automation perspective. So first of all, what is the need of using the design patterns? People are like oftenly reluctant to learn design patterns. They think like why they need to learn the design patterns from the test automation perspective. And people are often getting confused also between the design pattern and page object model, right? Page object model is a page pattern that is not a design pattern like which people are usually aware of, but design patterns are some solution provided by the experts in the industry to the existing problem. So let me jump to the definition of what do we understand from design patterns. So design pattern is nothing but it is a ready-made optimized solution to the existing problem, right? So using design pattern we can speed up the development process by providing tested proven development paradigms. What does it mean? For example, you have some code available, right? You have some library available, so we can use that library instead of rewriting our code from the scratch. So design pattern is nothing. So if we have problem statement, then corresponding to that we have the solution provided by the experts in the industry. So let me jump onto the initial slide, wherein I'm going to discuss about what are the commonly used design pattern in test automation. Singleton is widely used in design pattern in the test automation, especially for database connection and for creation of driver, and then for connecting for the configuration.properties file, because for these we need single instance. So singleton design pattern is nothing but, for example, we have a problem statement wherein we want to get the single object. So for example, for driver we need a single object, right? So how we can achieve it? So this is the problem statement. So some of the industry experts, they provided one design pattern, singleton design pattern, right? Okay, so using singleton design pattern, I can achieve or I can restrict the class to create a single instance of the or single object of the class, so that I can optimize my memory. I don't need to create the object again and again when the requirement to create only one object, right? So singleton is one design pattern that I'm going to discuss in this series. Then factory is another design pattern which will help us creating Chrome factory, Firefox factory, right? So these kind of things I'm going to cover in factory. Then we are going to discuss about builder, what is builder and what is the need of builder, and we'll be covering some more as well, such as decorator, then iterator design pattern is there, facade is there. So depending on need I'll be like covering, and I'll be adding it in those series, right? So coming to the singleton design pattern, we discussed about the problem statement and then we discussed about the solution as well. So there are like different ways of creating singleton design patterns: lazy initialization, then eager initialization, then thread safety, right? So these are the things that we are going to cover in the upcoming sessions. So for this session, I wanted to cover introduction to design pattern from the test automation perspective. This we have covered. So in the next lecture, we will be discussing about what is singleton design pattern using the lazy initialization concept. Okay. So thank you for now. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you really find it useful. Thank you.